What if an AI could turn your boring lecture notes, giant PDFs, and YouTube lessons into quizzes, flashcards, and study guides in seconds completely for free? That's exactly what Thea Study is trying to do. And in this video, we're going to see if this AI study assistant is actually one of the best study tools for students in 2026 or just another overhyped AI platform. Thea Study is basically an AI-powered learning assistant designed to help students study smarter and save time. Instead of manually creating flashcards, summaries, and practice questions yourself, you can upload PDFs, textbook pages, lecture recordings, notes, research papers, or even YouTube links, and the AI automatically creates study materials for you. One of the most interesting things about Thea is that it focuses a lot on active recall, which means the platform tries to help you actually remember information instead of just rereading notes over and over again. One of the best features is definitely the automatic quiz and flashcard generator, because students online say it makes exam preparation much faster and more interactive. The Smart Study feature is another highlight because it adapts the difficulty of questions depending on how well you're learning the material, almost like a personalized tutor. The platform also includes summaries, study guides, practice tests, and even study games, which a lot of users say make studying feel less stressful and less boring. Another reason Thea is getting attention online is because many users say the free version is actually very generous compared to other AI study tools that lock most features behind expensive subscriptions. According to reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, students really like how simple and beginner-friendly the platform feels, especially during exam season when they need quick study materials fast. Some users even claimed it helped improve their grades and save hours of study time every week. A lot of students also compared it positively against apps like Quizlet and StudyFetch because they felt Thea offered more features for free. But to keep this review honest, there are still a few downsides you should know about before using it. Some users mentioned that the AI can occasionally generate incorrect answers or oversimplify difficult subjects, especially in math or technical topics, so it's still important to double-check important information instead of trusting the AI completely. Other users said that some multiple-choice questions can feel too easy, which may not fully prepare students for harder exams. There are also a few concerns online about privacy and uploading personal study materials to AI platforms in general, although there's no major evidence showing that Thea is unsafe. Overall, though, Thea Study honestly seems like one of the more impressive AI study assistants available right now, especially for students who want free tools for flashcards, quizzes, summaries, and active learning. It's probably best for high school and college students dealing with large workloads in exam preparation, and while it won't magically replace studying, it can definitely make studying faster and more organized. If you've tried Thea Study before, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you enjoyed this honest review, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials.